Hi guys, welcome to Corner Taken Quickly podcast. With me here is Nikhil. So it's been one roller coaster of a game week. Actually, the past two game weeks since we recorded at the beginning of game week 15, and we didn't record anything in game week 16 since the Christmas and the New Year schedule caught up with us. But right now, here we are with our
Yeah,
next episode. The point is like over the past two game weeks has been a roller coaster for me personally. Right from starting off with game week 15, I scored a 57 pointer and I saw a green arrow, and I was quite happy about that. But post game week 16, it was a catastrophe rather. Since I happened to score only 43 points, which is a little bit above the average, since my Kane and Son, as well as Calvert Lewin and Ruben Diaz blanked. So I had to bear the brunt for that. But in terms of your team performance, like I was not satisfied since I saw a red arrow in my performance. It dropped from 550k to 600k, which is not the best. But I suppose that given the state of the game, week and news which came in after the deadline, so nothing could be done about it actually. So I'm still like okayishly happy about it, but I know I can cover it up in the future game. What about you, Nikhil?
yeah. Oh, mine has been a. This is the most disappointing season of my 3 4 years I'm playing FPL, and for the past 4 game weeks I've been doing reasonably well, except for one game week which I scored below the 10 points below the average. Otherwise, I've been above the average, and once I got around 70 points when the average was 45. So I was happy with that. But all of these came with the I had to change my whole trick. I never take a -4 hit, and this last 3 4 5 game weeks I've been taking -4 consistently, and it has worked in my favor big time. But still, my rank has just I went last week below the 2 million rank for the first time in my life. Now I'm back at 1,744,000, but I'm okay with that. Reasonably satisfied, but not happy, like completely happy, because know I could have done better with my choices. But this season has been, what do you say, a train wreck for me. Like, if I want to shift out a player, the other people will be injured, so I have to ship out them again. So, has been many reasons, but I'm reasonably satisfied going into the future game weeks because I think I have the best players from the teams they are playing in. So, what about you now? What's the next plan?
So again, today is the deadline, guys. Today, 11 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and it's around 6:30, if I'm not wrong. I
Yeah,
guess I am getting wrong. I'm getting wrong with my deadline. So it's
9:30
9:30
today.
today
9:30. Yeah,
Indian Standard Time, and it's 4:30 of 5 UK Standard Time. So like yes, it has with the news coming in right at the New Year's Day, New Year's Eve rather, about the double game week matches, the changes to the double game week. Um, like I was not planning to do this, but I have to because now all my plans have been has not been led to the plans what I made rather are not
yeah,
are not the ones which I'm going to execute right now. It has been affected, but in a way, like I had to remove a certain amount of players from my team. So I'm keeping my strategy of free hitting in game week 18 still, and then maybe bench boosting if my team is set up in that manner. But bench boosting in game week 19 is quite less likely for me, but at least the free hit chip is still on the cards. But the point is that again, um, another player from my team, Charlie Taylor, got injured from Burnley, and unluckily, when Burnley had kept a clean sheet, he had to be subbed off after 10 minutes. So, which is not that great a news for any FPL manager, but you have to take that into your chin. Maybe this couple of game weeks haven't been the greatest of them, considering that. Post these couple of before these couple of game weeks, I'd scored a decent 90 pointer. So coming off from that high, it's been quite shattering for me. But yeah, still not all the ground is lost. I can cover it up, but yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
So
Nikhil,
my
would you like to talk about the changes of the double game weeks, of the latest announcements that have been made by the Premier League regarding the matches of Manchester United versus Burnley, and then
yeah,
your
City's fixture has been
exactly City
shifted to game week 19. Yeah, in the double
yeah,
game week, right?
yeah, exactly. So City are playing City are having the double game week
Crystal Palace.
against Crystal Palace in game week 18, 19, I beg your pardon.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
apart from that, they are also playing in game week 18. So there is a lot of interest in Manchester United as well as Man City assets. Has this changed your plan even a little, Nikhil?
I'm thinking of bringing in City defenders,
Mm-hmm.
at least one of them. That's the only plan I have. From United's point of view, only Bruno is worth it in my opinion, but I don't think I'll be able to afford him. So if I have to get in Bruno, I will have to sell Salah or Son. Most probably it will be Son because Salah has, even though he has blanked for the last two games, but he has returned decently enough for the whole season. So I'm thinking either Son or Kane. I can even remove Kane as well, but I don't want to risk that. Well, let's see. Because Bruno is the one who is actually getting my rank down because everyone else has Bruno. Okay, so as I was saying, I've been dropping down my leagues because everyone else has Bruno. I don't have one, so I'm planning to bring him in. But I'll wait this game week out because Kane and Son have leads at home. So I'll wait for them to play this game week. After that, I may bring in Bruno, replace removing one of these two.
Okay, yeah,
So
that sounds actually very sensible. But in terms of chips, what do you think is the best strategy for
wild
the
card,
management?
I'm planning. Sorry, the free hit chip. I'm planning to take on the blank game week. Like I
Mm-hmm.
don't have many players from the blank game week, so I might take the free hit then, or otherwise I'll suck it up and play the game week 19 with the double game weeks and play the free hit later. As I think Arun suggested on the last podcast, when the end of the season game double game weeks and blank game weeks come, right? So that time even the relegation candidates might be useful. So I'm thinking about that. Either I'll take it on the blank game week this time around, otherwise I'll take it near the end of the season. I have a wild card. I'm planning to take an early wild card if in the next 2-3 game weeks, like in the halfway of the season, if my team is not doing well. Others I'm planning to keep hold on. And bench boost, in my opinion, is not that great of an option. It's just like if you have many heavy hitters in your main 11, bench boost does nothing to your team. So I'm planning to wait on the bench boost. I normally take the bench boost either at the first in the first match of the season or the last match. I've never taken it in between, so I'll play the bench boost in the last match since I have not played in the first season. Unless and until I have like I become desperate, I won't take the bench boost right now.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense. But yeah, what are the must owns in your eyes coming the game week 19, the double game week? Um, it,
Bruno,
yeah.
in my opinion, I think mainly no one, like, even I am considering that. Bruno is a must have. Bruno, Salah, they should be a must have in a team. And maybe Robertson or Trent, one of, but most preferably Robertson because Trent is not performing to his attacking level that he could. So mostly those three, in my opinion. And from City's side, I will take one defender out of Diaz or Cancelo. No one else, in my opinion. And keeper wise, Ederson definitely. But yeah. What about you?
For me again, as you said, Bruno and Salah are must-haves. Like even though Salah, being the captain, has blanked for a couple of game weeks, but before that he had got us a return for straight for 7 game weeks, right?
Yeah.
So and then apart from that, even Bruno, like he's been a Mr. Consistent ever since he arrived in FPL, in the Premier League
Yeah.
rather, and now he's displaying his full potential. So yeah, and then apart from that, a City defender is a must-have, I suppose. And even a Robertson. Robertson is a very good shout out. But again, the teams which are looking to have some cheaper options, then you can even triple up or double up on Leeds because they
Yeah,
are
true.
actually performing very well, and their double game week also looks very good. So
Yeah.
yeah, those were the key players for us, which should be there. And then in terms of strategy, if and we cannot say for different teams because for different teams there will be different strategies. Now, if you have a lot of double game week players as of yet, then it is wise to play the free hit card even in game week 18, irrespective of the changes that came in. And for game week 19, if you did play a wildcard chip in game week 16, then it seems like your team is quite well set up for taking that bench boost. But for other managers who had played the wildcard earlier in the season, like game week 4, 5, or even 10, 11 types, then it's not that worthwhile to have your bench boost activated. There are other opportunities where you can set up your team, have a bit of time in setting up your team when all these double game week fixtures are over, at least the bigger ones. Then you can set up your team accordingly and choose a particular game week where the FA Cup matches will be played and there will be certain blanks and to compensate that there will be a few double game weeks here and there. Then which is probably game week 26 and 29. So we don't know the teams which are playing there as of yet, but still giving your bench boost, your even triple captains and your second wild cards at that point seems like a very good shout. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was it, guys. Thank you for joining us, Nikhil, and
Yeah. Thank you.
then maybe we can uh, come up with the next video post this game week for the blank game
True.
week and talk about the
Yeah.
players that needs to be had in the blank game
Yeah.
week when if you're free hitting. And yeah, and even if you're not, we'll be informing the viewers about your strategies that you should try to take. Yeah.
Sure.
So thank you so much for joining us, guys.
Thank
And
you.
yeah,